You want to vacuum your house and you're sick and tired of those dang cords. You're tripping, you're pulling them out of the wall, you can't reach to the other room. Well, I got one product. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it, because this right here, let me tell you, as a stay-at-home mom, I need a vacuum. I vacuum like 3-4 times a week, and I need a vacuum that is cordless and that lasts a long time, that can go around the house and the battery is still full. Oh, thank you. Well, I have tested it out, and I am in love with this vacuum, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know, because oh my gosh, I've never had a cordless vacuum that actually sucks. I've had one in the past, and I was hesitant to get one because it was terrible. It didn't suck. The battery itself didn't last long. Let me stop blabbering, because this is a vacuum. I'm just so excited about it. This vacuum, boom. She's pretty. She's like extend-o-matic, okay? Different parts. This comes off, you can empty it. There's a HEPA filter inside of it. Now, I'm gonna tell you that this battery, I've gone through my whole house. My littles have vacuumed and it has lasted for almost an hour. I gave it to a test. My children, I was like, go for it. This thing is so good. Now, my child has dumped a bunch of baking soda on the ground. Involuntarily, I will vacuum this up for you. I'm going to show you firsthand how well it sucks, because this thing sucks. It is so versatile, lasts a long time, and if you're looking for a cordless vacuum, this does its job. It's super inexpensive compared to the name brand ones that are like a car payment plus some.